Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have administrative access because changing associations can require elevated rights. Once you're signed in, open Settings quickly with Windows plus I. It's faster than hunting menus. Next, go to Apps and then Default Apps so you can see current associations. This view lists common file types and protocol handlers. It's where Windows exposes easy overrides. Make sure to keep settings open while you work. You'll return here after locating the specific file type You'll now find the extension or handler you want to adjust. Click the listed app next to the file type. Windows will prompt you to pick a different app. If no suitable app exists, choose Look for an app in Microsoft Store or pick a generic program like Notepad for text types. For more control, choose Default Apps by file type to pair an extension with a program. Once done, Windows updates the registry keys behind the scenes so the association is replaced rather than duplicated. If settings won't clear the association, use Control Panel's default programs for one more try. It exposes legacy options. For stubborn entries, you can edit the registry at hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer/file-ext. Delete the user choice key for that extension. Be careful and export the key first. Once removed, restart Explorer or reboot so changes propagate. If a file still opens with the old app, clear any app caches and verify you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.